Hi there, Shauna Lynn Simon here from Beyond the Stage Homes, Waterloo Region's #1 choice for creating beautiful homes. And I am here today live at Sherwin-Williams on Fairway Road with Jennifer Binns from Sherwin-Williams. She is the Design Account Executive, and she's here to talk to us about how to paint that. With it being the spring season now, I'm sure you've got tons of to-do projects on your list, and we want to help you to tackle them. And let me tell you, paint is one of the least expensive ways to tackle some of those items. Maybe you're looking for a temporary refresher for some areas. Maybe you're looking to permanently give your home a facelift. I like to say that painting is literally money in a can when it comes to selling your home, and it is one of the best investments that you can make and one of the easiest and quickest to get your home up to snuff, basically. So we've got some ideas for some projects this spring. So Jennifer, let's talk a little bit about, we've got a few different projects we want to talk about. One is painting brick.
Right, exactly. So sometimes we have old brick outside and it's getting a little bit worn looking, so why not paint it?
Absolutely, it's a great way to freshen it up.
You know, and the first question is how do I prepare for that? So I like to have a 3 rule.
Okay.
It's a common rule for interior and exterior. You want it 3 steps.
Okay.
Clean, dull, and dry.
Clean, dull, and dry.
So we
Okay.
want to make sure it's not shiny, making sure we get rid of the dirt, and making sure we're not applying paint to a wet surface, because it will fail. So we want to make sure that we follow those rules. So the first step of painting brick is all about the preparation and using the right primer.
Okay.
So this primer here is called Loxon Concrete and Masonry Primer. This is great for brick, interior and exterior. So you can use it even on an old fireplace if you wanted to.
Oh, okay.
But this is great because what happens if you don't prime brick, that it just keeps absorbing paint.
I've seen that happen, and then I find that I've had clients that have said, you know, it took us 5 coats and it's still complete.
That's right. So
that's
this
the
will
primer.
lock it in.
Got it.
And you can apply your paint.
Perfect.
Again, 1 to 2 coats is just fine.
Okay.
And then once it's dry, you can apply your exterior product. Again, you want to invest in a good quality product. If you just put on something very basic, it's going to last very basic. So we want to make sure we're using a good product that's going to last a long time, such as our duration. This is one of my favorite exterior products.
Oh, really? Okay.
It lasts a long time. It can be applied to even vinyl.
Oh.
It lasts, again, forever. It can be washed up easily. It's water-based. So again,
Okay.
we want to make sure we're using good products for the environment
So
as well.
it'll last in Canadian weather is what you're saying.
That's what I'm saying. Exactly.
Wonderful. And then what have we got here? What would this be good for?
So these are great interior products. We have such a wide selection of products, so we just narrowed it down to 2 just to highlight today.
Okay.
My favorite is, again, the Emerald product for interior. I have a young family with a dog, so I'm looking for something that's washable and scrubbable. Also hides beautifully. So if you're applying a product color that's a little bit lighter or darker,
Okay.
it's great for coverage.
Oh, excellent.
It's washable and scrubbable.
I know this is something that I know I've talked to my clients about a few times. We were talking about painting interior walls. We've all had, you know, you buy a house and you've got that bright purple room or that red wall that you just got to paint. And one of the things that I've been told is that having a gray primer or gray tint to the primer is often helpful. Or if you're painting with good quality paint and it's a gray color you're painting, that will usually do quite a good job of coverage.
The Emerald does a great job covering.
Fantastic.
It can be used in bathrooms and kitchens because it has anti-mold and mildew properties as well.
Okay.
So it's great for almost every purpose.
So do you find with these paints that that you need to prime prior to application, or do you find?
If you're patching a lot of holes, I recommend spot priming especially. And if you're covering a real stubborn color, maybe a bright red, and you're using the Harmony product, I maybe recommend to prime.
Okay.
But again, this Harmony product is a specialty niche product. It's 0 VOC, so it's not harmful.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. It actually has an anti-mildew as well, just like our Emerald.
Okay.
And it absorbs smells.
Perfect. So that's also really good for a bathroom. You got the moisture.
A nursery.
Right.
Yeah, for sure.
Very good. All right. And then what have we got over here?
So this Emerald urethane, it's an interior and exterior product.
Okay.
So this can be a multi-purpose, but if we're thinking about maybe painting a piece of furniture, yes, I would recommend using this Emerald urethane. You can make those real pop of colors come alive with this product here.
So if you have that old dresser perhaps that maybe grandma gave to you, got passed down from generation to generation, and you know it's great to have that furniture, it's a beautiful looking piece, but it's not quite your style and the color that it's in, paint is a great way to save that item.
Yeah.
And actually you guys have
You
done
have a
one.
great example.
Yeah, let's take a look at that.
So this is a dresser here that has been done by our store manager here, Jill. And what she had done was taken an old piece here, sanded it, primed it with a multi-purpose primer, and applied the urethane emerald on top. And she used our color of the year to highlight beautiful
One of my favorite colors. This is Oceanside, for anyone who's wondering. It's beautiful. She did a fantastic job
and
on
she
it.
just did it simply by using some tape and really accenting this piece.
So tell me again about the primer here. Let's go back to the paint here.
So it's all again about preparation. So
Right.
for that piece there, it was quite shiny. So you want to make sure you sand it, make sure it's dull,
Okay.
and make sure it's clean again, and then applying your primer.
Perfect. And then approximately how many coats of primer would you need for something like that?
Something like that, I would say 1 coat is just fine.
Excellent.
And this multi-purpose primer is great for exterior as well. So if you were doing a front door, you could use this as well.
Perfect. Awesome. I love it. Well, thank you so much for all
Thank
these
you so much.
fantastic tips. All right, so here's the deal. It is our 10-year anniversary today, and Sherwin-Williams has partnered with us in order to help us to provide you guys with an awesome prize at the end of this month. Here's the deal. These Around the House Tip of the Weeks that you've been watching every week, we got a whole playlist of them on Facebook. What you need to do is need to like them, tag a friend who you think would find that information useful, and share it with your audience as well, and you will get an entry into our contest. And what do you get to win? You get to win 2 cans of their emerald paint. So this top quality paint, approximately $160 value, so you can get started on those painting projects. We are running this contest until the end of the month. So keep watching these videos, and thank you so much for joining us today. A great big thank you to Sherwin-Williams for letting us do this video today, and we appreciate their support in our business. Thank you so much.